Juli, July, juli, juli, July. Juli är namngift efter Julius Caesar som föddes i juli. July is named after Julius Caesar who was born in July. Juli är namngift efter Julius Caesar som föddes i juli.
Solglasögon. Sunglasses. Glöm inte dina solglasögon. Don't forget your sunglasses. As you can see, I have mine on, so I'm ready for the beach. Just gonna pack my, like a towel and some more stuff before I go there, and I'm ready. Att få en solbränna. To get a tan. Att få en solbränna. To get a tan. Det är viktigt att få en solbränna innan semestern tar slut. It's important to get a tan before your vacation is over. I don't know if I agree on this, but a lot of people are out in the sun a lot to look tanned before vacation. When coming back to work, having to sit indoors, they want to show off with a tan. So I guess it's true to some people. Flip-flop. Flip-flops. Ha på dig flip-flopsen så du inte trampar på glas. Keep your flip-flops on so you don't step on glass. Might happen on the beach that there are some people who thrown away some bottles or something. Not something you should do, but could happen. So bring those flip-flops and be careful.
Vattenmelon, watermelon, vattenmelon, vattenmelon, watermelon. Barnen äter vattenmelon. The children are eating watermelon. Barnen äter vattenmelon.
Snäckskal. Seashell. Barnen plockar snäckskal. The children are collecting seashells. This is something we have in Sweden, and this is something I did as a kid for sure, collecting seashells. They're really beautiful, I think, and interesting to study the different kinds.
Strand, beach, strand, strand, beach. Idag ska vi hänga på stranden. Today we're going to chill at the beach. Idag ska vi hänga på stranden.
Snorkling, snorkeling. Vi har bokat en snorklingsutflykt. We've booked a snorkeling excursion. That's something really fun if you want to see what lives under the water, not just on the surface or on the beach. You can bring the goggles and go snorkeling. Super fun and a lot to see. And I would say maybe the beach is not the best place, but like further out from the sand so that you can see some animals and some vegetation under the water.
Luftkonditionering, air conditioner, luftkonditionering, luftkonditionering, air conditioner. Externa luftkonditioneringsapparater är rätt billiga. External air conditioners are quite cheap. Externa luftkonditioneringsapparater är rätt billiga.
Bikini. Bikini. Årets bikinimode är väldigt häftigt. This year's bikini fashion is very cool. Yeah, nice to wear like a bikini or a swimsuit when you go swimming. I don't know if I keep up with the fashion that much, but something that looks nice is always nice, right? Att slappa på stranden. To relax at the beach. Att slappa på stranden. To relax at the beach. Att slappa på stranden och läsa en bok är det bästa som jag vet. To relax on the beach and read a book is the best thing I know. Honestly, I'm a bit too restless to read on the beach for too long, but I love doing that for a while. And when we have a beautiful summer day like that in Sweden, when you can go to the cliffs and dive into the ocean. It's one of my favorite activities.
Sol, sun, sol, sol, sun. Solen går ner bakom det blå havet. The sun sets behind the blue ocean. Solen går ner bakom det blå havet.
Solskyddskräm. Sunscreen. Sätt på dig solskyddskrämen innan du går ner till vattnet. Put on sunscreen lotion before you go down to the water. Really important, you guys, because, yeah, you know, the sun can be dangerous even if you're not careful with sunscreen, especially if you have pale skin like me. Solstol. Beach chair. Jag har 2 solstolar till barnen. I have 2 beach chairs for the children. Sounds really nice with a beach chair. I'm not sure if the children would sit still in a beach chair for too long. There's so much to play with on the beach, but a nice extra thing to bring if you plan on a day by the waters. Palm tree. Sandstrand och palmer så långt ögat når. Sand beaches and palm trees as far as the eye can reach. We don't have palm trees up here in Sweden, but I know that they are very common further south, and it's a beautiful setting when you have a beach with a palm tree for sure. But don't come to Scandinavia to look for palm trees because we don't have them.
Juni, June, juni, juni, June. Vi ska gifta oss i juni. We are getting married in June. Vi ska gifta oss i juni. Het, hot, het, het, hot. Solen värmer upp den heta öknen. The sun is heating the hot desert. Solen värmer upp den heta öknen.
Badhandduk. Beach towel. Tog du med dig badhandduken? Did you bring your beach towel? Especially when it's a bit cold, like maybe windy in the air and you go swimming, I think a towel is really nice to have when you get up. If it's super sunny and warm, maybe you can like dry in the sun, but a towel is good to remember when you go to the beach for sure. Vattenskoter. Jetski. Jag hoppas vi kan åka vattenskoter. I hope we can go on the jet ski. Actually, I never tried jet skiing. It's not something I would do on a regular day on the beach, but I hope I get to try that sometimes. And maybe you tried. It seems very fun. Baddräkt. Swimsuit. Jag använder inte baddräkt så ofta. I don't use a swimsuit very often. I guess instead of a swimsuit you can wear a bikini or maybe some shorts or something like that for swimming. So there are different options for taking a dip in the waters. Sommarlov! Summer break. Jag längtar efter sommarlovet. Jag längtar efter sommarlovet. I can't wait for summer break. You might have noticed my voice got up a little bit there, like sommarlov, because it's such an amazing thing here in Sweden. When you go to school, you have, I think it's like 10 weeks of break, of a summer holiday during the summer when you're in school. So that was always like the best time of the year, and especially when you're a kid, 10 weeks, it's like an eternity. So I have so many good memories from sommarlov, summer break.
Solig, sunny, solig, solig, sunny. Det kommer att bli soligt. It'll be sunny. Det kommer att bli soligt.
Sol. Sun. Solen är stark. Bränn dig inte. The sun is strong. Don't get burned. Yeah, for us with pretty pale skin and with long winters up here in Scandinavia, it's quite easy to get burned when all of a sudden we have this beautiful weather with sunshine and spend a lot of time outdoors. So that's something to be careful about for sure. Simma. To swim. Att simma är bra för hälsan. To swim is good for the health. It is indeed if you swim a lot and if you just stay swimming and don't go like under the water, I guess that's not so good for your health. But swimming is a very good exercise and very good for your body and fun, I think. Sandslott. Sandcastle. Ska vi bygga ett sandslott? Should we build a sandcastle? Maybe something you did as a kid, but I must say it's also really fun to do as an adult, to build a sandcastle. I usually get a bit restless when I'm on the beach sitting still for too long, so I can definitely enjoy building some sandcastles now and then, especially if there are kids there to play with as well. Strand. Beach. Idag ska vi hänga på stranden. Today we're going to chill at the beach. I'm not, unfortunately, but during this weekend, I'm definitely going to go to the beach if the weather keeps being this good. Looking forward to that.
Augusti. August. Augusti. Augusti. August. Skolan är stängd i augusti. The school is closed in August. Skolan är stängd i augusti.